Okay, so I just want to say a couple quick words about the Murchison meteorite because it's so cool. It's in the Smithsonian. Um, One of the things that we know is that amino acids, as we talked about, come in left-handed and right-handed forms. And if you read the whole article on Wikipedia, you know that there's still a lot of controversy surrounding this meteorite. But when you make a mixture in a laboratory in an inorganic form of amino acids, you get 50% left and 50% right. But in humans and other organisms, we make them all left-handed or mostly left-handed, and so we prefer the left-handed form. And so when they were analyzing the amino acids in this particular meteorite, they found an overpreponderance of left-handed amino acids instead of a racemic 50-50 mixture. So it kind of suggests that either something alive made the amino acids in there, like there's life on other planets, or that the amino acids that eventually started life here on this Earth could have been from a meteorite. Anyway, it's just kind of cool. They still really don't know and they're still studying it, but it kind of suggests extraterrestrial life, which is cool.